Chinatown. May basketball din sa parkingan. Canton Alley. Ayan. Dito kami kakain sa Honey Court. Ang parkingan dito, pay to park, 8 AM to 8 PM except Sunday and holiday. Sunday ngayon libre ang parking. Ayan, Chinatown. Dito yan sa corner ng 7. Ito, Pacific. South Weller Street. Ayun, may mga mural. The tree. Yan dati ang Sunya, Ocean Star na ngayon. Ito ang meron pang kainan ngayon dito sa labas. Home style dim sum. Siguro masarap din sa hometown. Dim sum meron. Ito na yung parking na Honey Court. Pero may bayad dito eh. Okay lang kung marami kang pera. Pag ganitong linggo, libre ang parkingan sa kalsada. Pero dito, naniningil sila. $7 an hour yata dyan. Ito na tayo sa Maynard Avenue South at saka Weller, South Weller. Yan o, may bayad o. Babayad siya. Busch Garden. Doon yung Wajimaya. Honey Court. Seafood. Purple Dot Cafe. Gagati. Hong Kong Bistro. Dito tayo sa Honey Court. Dim sum.
Kapag Sabado, ayun. Busy sila.
Sino yung kaliwa?
Pwede na mag-park.
Hindi bawal yan
Ayun na.
Gaantay lang yan. $7 per hour
Saan ka nag-park?
Doon, diretso kaliwa.
Dito ako bumibili ng tinapay, di ba?
Yeah.
Pwede ako bumili. Kabusog ako doon.
Hong Kong. Nasa Hong Kong kami. Ito yung dating Manila Cafe wala na. Naging Sex 1. to go shop. Open. Kasi okay ni Bill mabili yan ng tinapay.
Hello, my friend.
Cash only.
Come out to open.
Huh?
Open up and come out.
One
Yeah,
month?
1 month. Yeah, every year, sometimes more than a month. You know, you come 1 month and coast and compare in 1 week or make something.
You only,
yeah.
are you the only one who's cooking?
Yeah.
Wow.
One people sell and work.
I'll work part-time.
Before, then I'm open 1991. Before open, 10 people work together.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah, inside I would say 10 people. But not by myself or 1 people. But because I'm retired, I don't care. I just make little bit coffee and pay the rent. That's all. Better time stay home, nothing to do, you know.
Yeah.
You know, watch TV every day, you know.
You own this? You own it, right?
Yeah, I'm on the business.
Yeah.
34 years right now.
Wow.
I'm on here 34 years. Right now.
Oh,
Long is
expensive.
too small.
Yeah. So China is better.
Better, cheap, you know.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Bye-bye.
day. Habang gagawin ko.
Balik na kami sa parkingan.
Tesla, nakapark na sa gilid. It's Sunday. Saan kaya yung sinasabi ni 8 Avenue?
Eh, doon sa kanto. Eh, 27 ito eh. Ay,
Willard, Maynard.
doon sa may tapat na sa inyo yun. Yung bago doon.
Toho Restaurant. Hi. Bago yung building ngayon.
Ano?
There's a new building right there in the corner.
Eh, tabi ni tabi ni
Yeah.
ni grandma. Yung problema pagka pumarka doon sa itaas.
Dad.
Tongkyo Barbecue House.
Back too far. Pwede ko na siya pa rin. Hey, pass.
chuẩn bị hai bánh cơ sở ổn quá mà muốn
Tara. Ayun ang bahay ni Karen.
Karen. Kasi yung kotse.
Ayun, sa kabila. Chuchong Company.
sakit ng pisngi ng ano ko.